Once your part is completed, they are transferred to our QC zone, where they are both visually inspected and measured against the 2D engineering drawings to make sure that they're both dimensionally accurate and that they meet your specifications. We also have some very high-tech equipment such as this coordinate measuring machine, which can produce very, very accurate measurement reports. We have 100% outgoing QC inspection on all of your parts, so you can rest assured that you're getting parts that you want first time.